down. The first time. Whoop. Woo! Wow. Okay. Oh.
Go. Good afternoon, everyone. Right now I stay close to the really old well here. Here's my grandfather. Grandfather he big it for a long time, but right now no someone use because he used the other lizard. And right now, and so it's difficult to change the water from this well. So I have a new idea to set up, and then we take water from this well to use to my lemongrass and the other plant. Okay. And now what the projects that today that will I install? Okay, let's go to see with me. Okay, and then now I will start to set up or install the input pipe here I use with 34mm. Okay, and now start to set up in here. Okay, now I start to set up or install the output pipe. Don't forget, you can see the input pipe just with 34mm, smaller than this one with a 60mm size, right? For the output pipe. Okay, then now start to set up with me. Okay, right now I set up the output pipe already. Output pipe, and you can see right now output pipe. This I use with the 60mm size here, But the end of output pipe you can see small one, right? With small one, just with 34mm, because it's the same size to the input pipe. Else the end of the output pipe bigger than the input pipe size, our project cannot successfully be fed. But this project we just use well check here, well check for close and open. If we need water we can close. If we don't need more we can. If we need more water you close, open, and don't need to just close like this. Okay, then I'll close. I will recheck it and then I will fill water to this. Okay. Okay, right now I set up already, and you can see the input pipe size. Here I told already, just use with a 34mm size. It's same size to the end of output pipe with a 34mm. Okay, right now I have to open the valve check here for filling the water to this through this valve check to this main drum, right? Okay. Then now I will go to take the basket to fill water to this main drum. Wow, almost full. Okay, it's full. Okay, right now I fill the water to this main drum full. Why I fill the water to this main drum? Because when I open the end of the pipe, water will flow out, and this drum will make a pressure, and then through by this input pipe, chuck the water from this deep well to through by this to this main drum, and then the water will flow over there. Okay, then now before I go to open the end of the output pipe, I have to close the valve, both valve here, and don't forget you have to fill it around 90 until it full the water to this main drum. Okay, and here you can see here I have to close it properly because no linking like this. Okay, right now go to then I close it properly and go to open the end of the output pipe. Okay, let's go. Okay, and now I got the end of the output pipe here. Yet okay, start. And it's now, please. Oh, you can hear the sound. The first time I did. Pop. Woo! Wow, so strong, right? Pop. 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 Because I have some air in this pipe, I will do this one to show, and that's go like this. Right? Oh. Wow. But you don't forget, it's not the first time it's strong like this. If you leave it 20 minutes later, it will weaker and weaker, but it's not non-stop. It continue to flow the water out, right? Non-stop. 24 hours per day. It's supposed, because if no use electricity, just use the pressure to suck the water from the deep well here. It's enough for me to take this water to cure my lemon tree and the other plant here. Because in this place no electricity, it's difficult to use the electric machine, right? And especially we don't need to use the electric tree. We just do just take some like this, and then if we use this project, we don't need much money. We just spend a little money to buy some material like valve check and pipe with drum, and then you set up it. You can use it forever. It non-stop. This project we use this one to close and open. When you need the water like this, you open, and when you don't need, you can close, because it no switch on and switch off of electricity, right? Okay, then now I close it and then I go to recheck it. It have any linking or not, right? I hope that it no linking, because it right now it's process, it success. Okay, then now I open it and then I go to recheck it again. And okay, then I will explain you again. And you can see here that you don't forget when you connecting between pi to pi, you have to, not auto, right? You have to use the clue to connect between pi to pi. Make sure no linking mean waterproof. If have using linking air or water, our project cannot succeed. We will fail. Okay, and this one we use for the double using. One use for the air pressure when we process our project. When we open the end of the output pipe, some air, any air will come back to this main drum. But if we use this air pressure, it can make a pressure and then stuck the air, and then it will push it back to the end of the pipe, the output pipe. And another one, and you can see here, I use with the method drum. Don't forget when you set up this project, this kind of project, you have to use the method drum like this, right? Method drum like this, right? Don't use the plastic drum. Plastic drum is easy to deform, it's easy to break out. But this method drum is very solid, right? It's not easy to deform, right? Okay, and this one we use the wire check to fill water to this main drum before we process our project, right? Okay, but you can see it's small, the same size with the end of the output pipe. Whoa, it's so deep, right? Okay. And okay, right now, at least I would like to say thank you so much that you pay attention and spend the value time to see my installation, my setup this project. Thank you so much. And please help me to subscribe or ring the bell or share your friend or family if they want to see, if they want to follow my project. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.